let's discuss. Okay, so now I'm going to show you here question number 5. So question number 5, let's see, I'm going to share photo. Okay, question number okay, let's see the question. In question number 5, you can see here question number 5A. Okay, so I'm zooming it. Question number 5A. So what is given here? Each student in a class of 32 plays at least one game. Okay, each student in a class of 32 plays at least one game, means the complement is not here. किन भन्दा सबै स्टुडेन्टले कुनै न कुनै गेम खेल्छन् भन्ने, at least one game भनेपछि every student plays at least one game को मिनिङ के हो त? सबै स्टुडेन्टले कुनै न कुनै गेम खेल्छन् भन्न खोजेको है त. At least one game. Each student in a class of 32 plays at least one game means there is no complement. भनेको अर्थ कुनै पनि गेम नखेल्ने स्टुडेन्टहरु छैनन्. Okay, that means there are no any students who are not playing any game. So 32 players, so 32 plays means here this is C union F union B. C union F union B. Okay, so N of C union F union B equals to 32. 20 play cricket, basketball, N of B equals to 18, and 25 play football, so N of F equals to 25. Then 9 play cricket and basketball, 9 play cricket and basketball, N of C intersection B. 13 play football and basketball, 13 play football and basketball means C of F intersection C of F, that means the intersection of all three sets. Find the number of students who play cricket and football. भनेको हामीलाई सोधेको N of C intersection F हो है. And then cricket and football but not basketball. Cricket and football but not basketball. यो भन्न खोजेको चाहिँ के हो त? Cricket and football but not basketball. Okay, that means N only C intersection F. Okay, N only C intersection F. C र F को intersection only हो. हामीलाई चाहिँ but पछाडी के हुन्छ त? But पछाडी आउनेलाई हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ? Exclude गर्नुपर्छ. त्यही भएर N only. So we have to write here N only C intersection F. Okay, N only C intersection F. So the information in a Venn diagram. Okay, I think you can solve it, and if you need here hint, then I'm going to provide you. Okay, so you board. So I'm going to provide you hint for this. So what are the things given and what we have to find? Okay, so let's write here. What are the things given and what we have to find? So question number 5A. Okay, so question number 5A. Let's first C, F, and B. Here are 3: C, F, and B. Okay. Ashraf has already informed me. Okay, so I knew about Ashraf. So let's write here. Let's see. Okay, what do we have to write here? Let's see F, C and F and B the sets. Okay, let's see F and B be the sets of students. Okay, sets of students who play. C means cricket. Okay, who play cricket, football, and basketball. Basketball, respectively. Okay, in this way we have to write here cricket, football, and basketball, respectively. These are the 3 sets. Okay, we have to suppose here three sets, and I have written here three sets that are cricket, football, and basketball. Okay, so what are the things given here? Let's write here. I have already told you that first one is given here, union. Okay, here it is given, each student in a class of 32 plays at least one game. Okay, that at least one game means here it is given n of C union F union B equals to n of C union F union B equals to 32. This is given. Okay, that means intersection of all, union of all three sets given. That is union of all three sets given. 20 play cricket. 20 play cricket means n of C equals to 20. Then 18 play basketball. N of B. Okay, basketball means n of B equals to 18. And then 25 play football. 25 play football means n of F. N of F equals to 25. Okay, n of F equals to 25. 9 play cricket and basketball. 9 play cricket and basketball means n of C intersection B. N of C intersection B means 9. And then 13 play football and basketball. 13 play football and basketball. Okay, 13 play football and basketball means F intersection B. F intersection B is given here 13. And then 5 play all three games. 5 play all three games means n of C intersection. C intersection F intersection. C intersection F intersection B. Okay, n of C intersection F intersection B equals to, here it is given 5. It is given here 5. And so I number, what is asked? Find the number of students in I number. Find the number of students who play cricket and football. Cricket and football means, okay, what do we have to find here? In I number, you are asked to find here cricket and football. This equals to what? Okay, cricket and football. This equals to what? And you know that each and every set notations are given here. Besides this, so if we just use here general formula, okay, if we just use here general formula, then we can easily find this one. So which one formula we have to use? Can you tell me by formula? Which formula we are going to use?
N C union F union B equal to
okay, N of C union F union B equals to,
so NC plus NB plus NF.
okay, NC plus N of B plus N of F
Minus NC intersection B.
NC intersection intersection B. Okay.
Minus NF intersection B.
Minus NF intersection B.
Minus NC intersection F.
Okay, minus NC intersection F
Plus C intersection F intersection B.
Okay, N of C intersection F intersection B. Okay, very good, because this is absolutely correct formula. Okay, this is absolutely correct formula. This formula we are going to use here, so that N of C union F union B, this is given, N of C given, N of B given, N of F given, N of C intersection B given, N of F intersection B given, and only one thing is not given here, that is N of C intersection F. And again, N of C intersection F intersection B is also given. So if we put the values here, then we here, okay, I think we can easily find the value for N of C intersection F. So let's put values here. N of C union F union B means that is 32. Okay, 32 equals to N of C means 20 plus N of B means 18. Okay, and then plus N of F equals to 25, and then minus 9 minus 13. Okay, then another thing is minus N of C intersection F. This we have to find. and last one is plus. Okay, plus n of C intersection F intersection B means that is 5. So now let's calculate. Okay, so what we'll get by calculating this one? 20 plus 18 plus 25 minus 9 minus 13 plus 5. By calculating this, what we'll get? What we'll get? Are you calculating? Okay, so what we'll get here? We'll get 46. Is that okay? 46?
Yeah.
46 minus n of C intersection F. Okay, then what we'll do here? N of C intersection F will take this side. N of C intersection F. Okay, C intersection F, and then this equals to 46 minus 32. So we'll get here N of C intersection F equals to 46 minus 32. 46 minus 32. Okay, so it will be 14. So we got here 14. So first question is this: find the number of students who play cricket and football. So students, as the number of students who play cricket. Okay, who play cricket and football. Who play cricket and football. Football is found. In second question, you are asked here, cricket, find the number of students who play cricket and football but not basketball. Who play cricket and football but not basketball. Okay, यसको meaning के हो भने यो only हो. Okay, this means and only C intersection F भन्न खोजेको है त. Okay, in second number you are asked to find here, what you are asked to find, and only C intersection F, and only C intersection F. This equals to what? And only C intersection F. Okay, so I hope you understood this one. Eh? And only C intersection F. Cricket and football, but not basketball. And intersection हो, तर त्यसमा हाल्छ. That's why and only C intersection F. So by formula, okay, now can you tell me the formula for this? What will be the formula? What will be the formula for this? And only C intersection F.
And C intersection F minus and C intersection F intersection B.
Ah, very good, Samir. Very good. That is absolutely correct formula. Okay, N of C intersection F, and then minus N of C intersection F intersection B. Okay, this is the formula. This is the correct formula. Now N of C intersection F we have already found, that is 14. N of C intersection F means 14. So you can write as the number of students. Okay, hence the number of students. Number of students who play cricket and who play cricket and football. Who play cricket and football. Who play cricket and football, but not basketball is. But not basketball. But not basketball is 9. Okay, so in this way you have to write. So you have to write here, hence the number of students who play cricket and football but not basketball is 9. Okay. In this way we have solved their 2 questions. And one more question is left. Show the information in a Venn diagram. Okay, now we have to show this information in a Venn diagram. Let's show. यो सबै इन्फर्मेसनहरुलाई हामीले अब भेन डायग्राममा शो गर्नु पर्यो. So now let's show the information in a Venn diagram. Okay, I think Samir Oda is already there. Who are not here? I think Ritesh Basnit is not here. Ritesh Basnit, and then Khushi is also not here. Then Ashraf Alam is not here. Okay, other who are not here. Other. Sahil Adhikari, where is Sahil Adhikari? Sahil Adhikari is also not here. And Ojasvi, today there is okay, Ojasvi is not there. So do you have any confusion up to here? यहाँसम्म कसैलाई केही कन्फ्युजन छ भने you can ask. Okay, if you have any confusion then you can ask. If not, then let's move forward. Now I'm going to show in a Venn diagram. अब हामीसँग Venn diagram मा show गर्ने. In question number 5B, there is no Venn diagram. हाम्रो 5 को B मा Venn diagram छैन. That's why, okay, again try to understand. जले अझै बुझिसक्नु भएको छैन Venn diagram मा कसरी देखाउने. This is the last question. Okay, your last question हो जहाँ हामीलाई Venn diagram मा show गर्नु भनेको छ. So try to understand again. Okay. In third number, now showing above information in a Venn diagram. Now showing information. Okay. Now showing above information in a Venn diagram. Now we have to show above information in a Venn diagram. Okay. So Venn diagram ma show garदाखेरि, you know, first of all we have to draw here. First of all, let's draw here 3 overlapping sets. Okay, because you know all these 3 are overlapping sets. Here you can write U. 3 overlapping sets we have to draw here. Okay, 2, and this one is 3. 3 overlapping sets. Okay, I have drawn here 3 overlapping sets. Okay, these sets are, first one you can suppose as C, second one is F, and then basketball. Okay. So from where we have to start to fill up, we have to start to fill up from the central part. The central part बाट सुरु गर्नु. Intersection of all 3 बाट सुरु गरौँ. Intersection of all 3 means here it is given. Intersection of all 3 is C intersection F intersection B means 5. This one you can directly write. Your intersection of all 3 we can directly write. Okay. So you can write the set notation for this. इसको set notation हो N of C intersection F intersection B. N of C intersection F intersection B. Okay, N of C intersection F intersection B. Okay, now you can fill up any of the 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Either you can fill up here this one only part C intersection F, N only C intersection F, N only C intersection B, or N only F intersection B. Okay, out of these 3 parts you can fill up any part. अब कुनै part fill up गर्दा पनि भयो त. यहाँ हेरौँ अब N of C intersection B भनेको कति छ? N of C intersection B means 9. Okay, in this question you can see here 9. This is the N of C intersection B. To total 9 हो. Okay, that total 9. Total is 9. Okay, this one total is 9. You just, if you toss here, this is N of C intersection B. N of C intersection B. If you just toss there. तर अब हामीले यहाँ fill up भनेको only हो. Okay, you have to fill up here only. Insert inside, and then it becomes only. अब यो हुन्छ N only C intersection B. Now it will be N only C intersection B. Okay, अब यो हुन्छ N only C intersection B. How to find it? Total भनेको 9. Okay, out of 9, 5 is already here. Out of 9, 5, number 5 is already here. Then what will remain here? What to write? What to write?
4.
4. Okay, very good. 4. हामीले यहाँ लेख्नु पर्यो 4 है त यसरी किन भन्दा 5 र 4 जोड्दा then it should be 9. यो total यो this whole is C intersection B. तर यहाँ simply 4 भनेको and only C intersection B. Okay, this should be clear. Now let's move to the F intersection B. Here it is. F intersection B means 13. F intersection B means 13. Okay. So if you just toss here, like simply I will toss मात्रै गरे भने त्यो F of N of F intersection B हो. तर यसलाई हामीले भित्र insert गर्दियौ भने if you insert inside, यसरी insert गर्दियौ भने then this will be N only F intersection B. हो यो पार्टमा हामीले N only F intersection B. We have to write here N only F intersection B. Out of 13, 5 already here. Then what is remaining? We have to write here. Okay. Remaining लेख्नु पर्यो 5 त आइसक्यो किन भन्दा यो टोटल हो F intersection B भनेको this total. Okay. This out of total 5 is already here. Now what to write here? कति लेख्नु पर्ला? Okay. 5 is already there, and we have to write 8. Very good. Okay. Very good. Those who are saying very good. That is 8, 5, 13. Now, C intersection F we have already found. I'm the only find out directly say only I find out and only C intersection F we have already found. Only this one part is only okay. You if we insert inside you only part I'm find out and only C intersection F. Okay, just if we toss it. Then this is N of C intersection F, that is 14. That is here, 14. Okay, 14 out of 14, 5 is here, so 9 should be. In this way, we have filled up here 3 parts. Now, other 3 parts we can fill up. Now, I am 1, 2, 3. These 3 parts also we can fill up. Now, I am fill up. Now, first of all, look at here N of C. N of C means 20. Okay, now here fill up. Out of 20, 9 plus 5 plus 4 is already here. Only part you and only C. So can you tell me what is N only C and what is N of C? N only C and N of C. What is N only C?
2.
Okay, so what is N only C? We have to subtract this 9 plus 5 means N plus 4, 18. Okay, we have to subtract 18 from N of C. What N of C? N of C is 2. Very good. This is 2. Yeah, 2. Okay, here is 2. Then N of F. Now let's see. N of it is 25. You N of F 25 sir. यसमा हामीले कति फिल अप गर्नु पर्ला out of 25 9 plus 5 plus 8. Okay, 9 plus 5 plus 8 is already there. So what is remaining?
3.
Okay, out of 25 you total the 25 of N of F is 25. Out of 25 9 plus 5 plus 8 is already here. So what should be here?
So 25 minus 22, 3.
Okay, good. 25 minus 22 is 3. So we can fill up here 3. Okay, यसमा हामीले 3 fill up गरौँ है. अब यसमा स्पेस यहाँ देखिरहेको छैन मैले यसलाई यसरी लेख्दा पनि भयो यहाँ माथि त्यो लेख्छु. This one is only यसरी भित्र इन्सर्ट गरिदियो भने this is N only F. Okay, simply यसलाई टस गर्यो भने then this is N of F. Okay, so this is N of F. Okay, now let's see this one. This one, now we can fill up this one also. This only part N only B. How to fill up N only B? N of B means here it is 18. N of B भनेको 18 छ. Out of 18 we have to subtract here 8 plus 5 plus 4. Then what will be remaining?
1.
1. Okay, very good. Yes, should be 1. So in this way we have already filled up the Venn diagram. हामीले Venn diagram मा सबै कुराहरु I have already shown here, and I hope you understood. कसैलाई के confusion छ? You can ask. Okay, do you have any confusion? If any confusion, then you can ask. Any confusion? In this way, we can fill up in a Venn diagram. यो फेरि मैले एक पटक आज फेरि Venn diagram मा fill up गर्ने method I taught you so that it would be clear to you. अब हामीसँग धेरै पटक हामीले यस्तो क्वेशन सल्भ गरेका छौं. Okay, अझै फेरि के कन्फ्युजन छ भने you can ask. First of all, we have to start from here. Center बाट start गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, center बाट start गरिसकेपछि then nearby parts we start to fill up. Okay, यस पछाडी यो 5 को नजिक नजिकको पार्टहरु फिल अप गर्न सुरु गर्ने र कसरी फिल अप गर्ने you know that. Okay, अब यो 5 लाई माइनस गर्दै फिल अप गर्नु पर्यो सबैबाट. And then only part. Okay, how to fill up? I have already told you. कसरी हामीले fill up गर्यौं, कसरी subtract गर्यौं. If you have any confusion, still if you have any confusion, then you can ask. कसैलाई के confusion छ? Okay, that means nobody has any concern. Now, last question we are going to do here. The last question, it is slightly different. That question we are going to do. Okay, last question, that is question number 5B. It is slightly different. Let's do that one. Okay, so if you have understood this one, now let's move to the question number 5B. Okay, so I'm going to rub this one and let's do question number 5B. Okay, if Zoom time is over, then you have to rejoin. Okay, I think now more than 1 minute is left. So everybody has to rejoin. So we'll rejoin, then I think I will start this one, question number 5B. After rejoining, until that, let me see. First session, let me see here. Ayushma, but I could not see. Okay, and then Ojasvi is not here. Ashraf not here. Sujal is also not. Sujal is here. Okay. Sahil Adhikari is not here. Sahil Adhikari. Then Ojasvi, Ayushma. Okay, so everybody has to